Hi. So the students from our summer enrichment program have been coming in during their lunchtime and painting. They've been preparing their final projects for a showcase that we're going to have next week. And I just wanted to give a preview to this one because it's pretty amazing. I think the thought process that went through that this student went through is pretty amazing. He has stairs, so I'm going to grab onto it right here, and he has 2 sets of stairs. They're easier to see from the back. So if we go down in there, and then he wanted them to look rustic, so he used more of a brown. He wanted them to look like wood. And then he also, even though the PLA was gray, he wanted to paint it a gray color, and he requested blue for the windows.